Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ritwik Ghosal, Interventional Cardiologist. Tobacco doesn't affect only the lung and only the cancer causing cells. It also affects our endothelial cell, which is the largest organ of our body. Because endothelium is the lining of all the blood vessels, all the gastrointestinal tract, and all the major tracts. So, whenever the endothelium gets involved, all the terminal things start to happen from that part. Smoking per se causes decreased nitrogen oxide release in our blood vessels. You all know that nitrogen oxide or NO, it's a vasodilator kind of thing. It causes dilation of the blood vessel. And whenever we have decreased production of nitric oxide in our blood vessel, we have vasoconstriction. That means your vessel gets clogged down or your vessel gets constricted. So that time, if you have any minor disease also in form of plaques in the coronary artery, that can also get occluded. So one is vasospastic or the constricting thing, and second is decreased production of some biological factors like nitric oxide. We all must remember that only active smoking doesn't cause heart disease or any kind of arterial disease. Passive smoking is also very important in causating factor of any kind of cardiovascular and stroke and any other peripheral artery disease, because we must remember there are two ways of passive smoking. One is second hand smoking, while you smoke in the room and the others who are not smoking, they get affected. And the third hand smoking, which often is present while you leave the room, still it stays in the curtain, it stays in the pillow cover, it stays in the car material. So whenever you enter after the smoking episode is done, you can get some kind of particles from that curtain or any pillow, from that kind of source. The other system involvement other than this arterial thing in form of coronary artery disease or any stroke or any peripheral artery disease, the smoking can affect you strongly because of one critical factor, that is called carbon monoxide. Because when you smoke, other than nicotine, you get a lot of hazardous thing in the form of tar, in the form of heavy metals, in form of carbon monoxide also. So whenever your carbon monoxide level increases in your blood, the affinity to the oxygen is much higher for carbon monoxide rather than hemoglobin. The best way to quit smoking is just get motivated regarding it, get some help from your parents, from your family, or whoever the near and dear ones are there, the emotional support. You cannot control your withdrawal symptoms. Definitely you can help, take help from the psychiatrist who can give you bupropion, varenicline. Those are the drugs which can give you some kind of relaxation from smoking withdrawal. Whenever you are inhaling e-cigarette or a vaping sort of thing, it also contains some sort of nicotine, and also it contains a lot of heavy metals along with it. Though the quantity might be a little bit lesser, but still you get all the nicotine and all the heavy metals from vaping and also from e-cigarettes, and that can cause all the problems caused by nicotine or smoking from cigarettes altogether. Because remember, whenever you have nicotine, your blood pressure goes high, your heart rate goes high, you have a dopaminergic surge, you always get some kind of kick from smoking and all. You get some kind of reaction from vaping and also from e-cigarettes. So that is why you take this kind of products, no? So after vaping and e-cigarette, you might feel like I'm okay, but I think in the long run, it's going to take a lot of toll from your body.